criminalizing marital rape may destabilize institution of marriage, Centre tells HC. Why shouldn't marital rape be criminalized from Indian context? Why should it be criminalized? What is the way forward? GS Paper 1, Role of Women. What is the context about? Supreme Court and various high courts had observed the growing misuse of Section 498A, harassment caused to a married woman by her husband and in-laws, of the IPC. The Union government submitted an affidavit before the Delhi High Court, and it has taken a stand against criminalizing marital rape on the grounds that it may destabilize the institution of marriage apart from being an easy tool for harassing the husbands. Marital rape, or spousal rape, is an act in which one of the spouses indulges in sexual intercourse without the consent of the other. Why shouldn't marital rape be criminalized from Indian context? Most of the petitioners who demanded for criminalization of marital rape are from West. It does not necessarily mean that India should also follow them blindly. If criminalized, it may turn to be a tool torture to men and degradation of family, as dowry law, 498A of IPC, was rampantly misused. It is more likely to be a passive and potentially minuscule law. Since less educated and rural women are not likely to use it, the other strata of women can be said to empowered enough to say no for this kind of acts of their rapist husbands. This country has its own unique problems due to various factors like literacy, lack of financial empowerment of the majority of females, mindset of the society, vast diversity, poverty, etc., and these should be considered carefully before criminalizing marital rape. Why should it be criminalized? Forceful sexual intercourse leads to subjugation of women to men's authority, which is against the principle of equality under Article 14 and Article 21 of Indian Constitution. It further leads to domestic violence and assault on women's dignity. It leads to severe damage to genital organs, which can be categorized as violence. The law criminalizing marital rape is one of the Sustainable Development Goals of UN under Women Empowerment. Many countries like USA, UK, Malaysia, Turkey etc. has already criminalized it, and as a progressive democracy, India must legislate to enhance the confidence in women. What is the way forward? Domestic violence is already rampant in the Indian society. Although law has provisions such as 498A and 304B, women are rarely confident to come forward as they fear expulsion from their families. But, on the other hand, marital rape is not even an offense to allow women to raise a voice. Sexuality is a matter of dignity and power, and any kind of subjection of sexuality leads to being oppressed. It is hence high time that the Indian law recognizes the violation of dignity and removes the marital rape exception from Section 375.